State lawmakers will not be voting this year on the proposed constitutional amendment banning same-sex marriages and civil unions.
Republican legislative leaders announced their decision today after consulting with their members.
RTV6 reporter Norman Cox has more on the decision and what may happen next.
Lawmakers are delaying any vote until 2014, not because they've changed their minds about same-sex marriage, but because they're concerned that the U.S. Supreme Court might find the proposal in violation of the U.S. Constitution before it ever makes it to the Indiana ballot. The court plans to rule this summer and could invalidate same-sex marriage bans. If it does, and if Indiana lawmakers had already voted to put the amendment on the ballot, there would be no way to take it off.
We think it's prudent to wait. We have 2014 to vote on it, and if the Supreme Court gives the states a clean bill of health, makes it a states' rights decision, as it very well might, then we will be able to move forward without any questions about the constitutionality of this provision.
Gay rights advocates thank the Republicans for their decision, even though the move was only tactical and doesn't represent any change of heart by lawmakers.
We want to thank the legislative leadership for taking this courageous move to delay any vote on the marriage amendment this year. We think it's prudent, we think it's smart, we think waiting until the Supreme Court is finished is the right thing to do.
But social conservatives are disappointed. Some think a positive vote on the amendment by the legislature might have influenced the Supreme Court decision.
Well, I think it's important to let the people of Indiana know and let the Supreme Court know that Indiana is going to continue to move forward to protect marriage between a man and a woman.
But legislative leaders don't believe they would have influenced the Supreme Court by going ahead and voting. They cite the court's surprising ruling to approve the health care law as proof that no one can predict where the justices will go on any topic. At the State House, I'm Norman Cox, RTV6.
And gay rights advocates say they will get back to work trying to change the minds of lawmakers and Hoosiers in general, so they will defeat the same-sex ban next year if it comes back for a vote.